So guys, yesterday we were trading this pair, buying this, but I mentioned that as long as we are stay above 147.66, then we wish we broke below this. We had a loss, of course. And after that, we went on to hit a bearish target, recovering that loss. Anyways, guys, what for today? I'm going to jump onto the 4H, and the 4H shows indication of just choppiness. Actually, the price is just moving up and down, up and down. So according to that logic, guys, I would like to do is, guys, I would keep on selling this as long as you are below 147.4, and today's low would be my first target, and this and 146.6 would be my second target. If you break above this, yesterday's high is a very minimal target, and we will be testing that. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money. See you guys tomorrow.